话蒙牌经，
菊花、蒲公英、黄帝内经，他们知道。
左手往上，右手。
In the field, in tune, in depth. This is Sunny Spotlight from CIFTIS 2023. Here am I at Shougang Park in Beijing, where the 2023 China International Fair for Trading Services is underway. This year, the healthcare services industry includes an exhibition of traditional Chinese medicine industry. Today, as TCM gradually gains international attention, I'm here to find out how it's embraced by people in various countries. For many participants from home and abroad, CIFTIS has offered the chance to explore new trends in various forms of TCM. Among the most popular TCM therapies is cupping, but instead of using heated cups, I've tried it this time with bamboo soaking decoctions of special herbs. This is a traditional way of curing some diseases among the Zhuang people, an ethnic group living mainly in South China's Guangxi.
我们通过服贸会也建立起了很多跟这个境外就是跟国际合作的一个途径、一个桥梁。这样的话，我们更好的推广我们中医、壮阳医到海外，在这个海外群众中建立起我们这个对我们中医药、壮阳医药的一个认知和信心。
In recent years, TCM therapies like cupping and acupuncture have become a rising trend in many parts of the world. Such a growing popularity is evident both in and outside the venue of CIFTIS.
Eu acho que uma das principais medicinas tradicionais chinesas é a acupuntura. Tem muita gente que já usa a acupuntura como um dos principais tratamentos de saúde pública. Eu acho que a principal política que a China constrói para o mundo e para o Brasil é a possibilidade de construir relações de parceria e de construir solidariedade. É graças à solidariedade do povo chinês que nós estamos aqui hoje nesse evento tão bonito, tão importante.
在学校教学的话呢，工作了10年的时间，差不多有这个100来名的这个海外学生，然后东南亚的一些国家啊，另外呢还有一些这个南美的国家，阿根廷的、秘鲁的这些国家的学生呢都有。
Not just for curing diseases, TCM can also provide a new way to discover the secrets of your body and health. Now I'm learning Ba Duan Jing, one of the most common forms of Chinese Qigong that enhances health. It's based on the concepts of Qi and the balance of yin and yang.
像匈牙利民众啊，对阴阳啊，对这些概念呢，他们基本都知道啊，几乎是家喻户晓。他们对这个中医呢也非常认可。
Technology is reshaping today's industries. TCM is no exception. Guang'anmen Hospital in Beijing is showcasing the power of its comprehensive online platform. It facilitates international exchange and cooperation, allowing remote consultation, treatment, and academic exchanges.
截止到目前，广安门医院已经为来自于30多个国家和地区的病人做了中药的服务。我们想借助这个平台，能够促进中医药服务贸易的数字化、绿色化进程，用数字贸易来推动中医药的共享发展。
在“一带一路”的政策的推动下，这个平台做得很好，各国的中医聚在一起，大家发表各国的中医药的推动、中医药的发展情况、中医药它的机遇，还有如何去发展。
中医药的这个发展确实是与时俱进的。所以说，其实现在呢，我们在强调中医药它这个就是传统的，它是世界的，但是实际上它也是发展的。